Hi everyone! Today we'll show you how to install and activate the LoRa parking sensor gateway. Step 1. Install the top antenna. Step 2. Connect power and network cables. Align the notch with the power port, press in, and tighten the nut. Install the network cable, pass it through the nut, slide on the rubber ring, then through the connector, push the rubber ring into the bottom of the connector for waterproofing. Screw in the connector loosely. After inserting the cable, tighten it. Step 3. Install the L-shaped bracket. Remove the right screw and mount the bracket. Step 4. Fix it to the pole. Insert the U-bolt from the back, add the plate, and tighten the nuts. Power on to begin activation. Step 1. Add the gateway. Log in. Go to Device Management. Gateway list. Add gateway and enter the gateway ID. Step 2. Configure the gateway. Enter the IP address and click Connect. Once it shows connected, click Setting. Show Parse Content. Get gateway information. You can modify the IP info below. Step 3. Activation complete. Return to the platform and refresh. The gateway is now online. Thank you for watching. For more details, please visit www.ikavass.com or contact our sales team at info@ikavass.com.